The Philadelphia experiment is one of the most enduring and intriguing conspiracy theories of the 20th century. The story goes that in 1943, the United States Navy conducted an experiment in which a ship, the USS Eldridge, became invisible and teleported from Philadelphia to Norfolk. But what really happened during this alleged experiment and was truly a government conspiracy? To understand the Philadelphia experiment, we need to delve into the history of the USS Eldridge, a Cannon-class destroyer escort that was launched in 1943. The ship was part of a series of experiments conducted by the Navy to test the feasibility of degassing, a process that reduces the magnetic field of a ship to make it less detectable to magnetic mines. However, the story of the Philadelphia experiment takes a dramatic turn when it claims that the Navy went beyond degassing and attempted to make the ship invisible. According to the conspiracy theory, the Navy used a combination of electromagnetic fields and other technologies to create a force field around the USS Eldridge, making it invisible and allowing it to teleport from Philadelphia to Norfolk. The story claims that the experiment was successful, but it had unintended consequences, including the deaths of several crew members and the creation of a rift in the space-time continuum. One of the key figures in the Philadelphia experiment conspiracy theory is Kale M, a man who claimed to have been a crew member on the USS Eldridge during the experiment. Allen's story, which was first told in the 1950s, described the experiment as a catastrophic event that resulted in the deaths of many crew members and the destruction of the ship. However, Allen's story has been largely discredited, and many experts believe that he fabricated his account to gain attention and notoriety. Despite the lack of credible evidence, the Philadelphia experiment has become a staple of conspiracy theories and science fiction. The story has been the subject of numerous books, movies, and TV shows, and it continues to fascinate people to this day. But what really happened during the experiment, and was it truly a government conspiracy? To answer this question, we need to examine the evidence and separate fact from fiction. The Navy has consistently denied that the Philadelphia experiment was anything more than a series of routine degassing tests. The Navy's official records show that the USS Eldridge was indeed involved in degassing experiments, but there is no evidence to suggest that the ship was made invisible or teleported. Furthermore, the laws of physics as we currently understand them make it impossible for a ship to become invisible or teleport from one location to another. The technology to create a force field or manipulate the space-time continuum is still purely theoretical, and it is not something that could have been achieved in the 1940s.SO. What can we conclude about the Philadelphia experiment? While it is clear that the conspiracy theory surrounding the experiment is largely exaggerated and unfounded, it is also true that the Navy did conduct secret experiments during World War II. The Navy's degassing tests were real, and they were an important part of the war effort in addition, the Philadelphia experiment has become a cultural phenomenon, inspiring countless works of science fiction and speculation. The story has captured the imagination of people around the world, and it continues to be a topic of fascination and debate as we explore the mysteries of the Philadelphia experiment. We are reminded that the truth is often stranger than fiction. While the conspiracy theory surrounding the experiment may be unfounded, it is clear that the Navy did conduct secret experiments during World War II, and it is possible that some of these experiments may have been classified or covered up by the CIA. The Philadelphia experiment is a complex and intriguing story that has captured the imagination of people around the world. While the conspiracy theory surrounding the experiment is largely unfounded, it is clear that the Navy did conduct secret experiments during World War II, and it is possible that some of these experiments may have been classified or covered up to if you are fascinated by conspiracy theories and unexplained phenomena. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, Stunning Revelations, for more in-depth explorations of the world's most intriguing mysteries. From secret government experiments to paranormal activity, we'll delve into the unknown and uncover the truth behind the headlines. So, join us on this journey into the unknown and discover the stunning revelations that await us. Subscribe now and join the conversation.